Hey guys, welcome back. If you are new, kindly consider subscribing so that you will not miss out on new videos. Here are 8 wild technologies that will make you question everything. 1. Ballie. Samsung introduces Ballie, an AI-powered rolling robot designed to be your smart home sidekick. Ballie can connect to your Samsung smart appliances, acting as a manager and turning on lights or starting the vacuum. It can also be your personal assistant, finding your phone or displaying info on the wall. For pet owners or those worried about home security, Ballie can send video updates. Finally, Ballie can adjust your smart home environment, projecting workout videos or dimming the lights depending on your needs.
Tired of lying with your elbows. Goodbye, Ballie.
2. Shift Robotics Moonwalkers. Shift Robotics Moonwalkers are shoes supercharging your walk with built-in motors and AI. Imagine walking up to 3 times faster for errands or exercise without feeling worn out. The Moonwalkers adapt to your natural stride and work on various terrains, from rain and dust to hills. Thanks to their 8-wheel design, they're built for everyday use, maneuvering through crowds and automatically locking the wheels for stairs. While pricing and long-term use details are still emerging, Moonwalkers could be a game-changer for how you get around. 3. Sightful Spacetop AR Laptop. The Sightful Spacetop AR Laptop is a new and amazing device that replaces the usual laptop screen with special augmented reality (AR) glasses. These glasses show a huge virtual workspace, up to 100 inches wide, right in front of your eyes. You don't have to bend over a small screen anymore. With the Spacetop, you can work anywhere with a giant virtual display. You can easily multitask by spreading out all your windows, or watch a movie on a virtual big screen. Another great thing? Privacy. Only you can see the image through the glasses, so no one else can see what you're working on. It's like having your own private movie theater and office, all in one portable device. 4. Click Case. The Click Case is a game-changing iPhone accessory. It features a built-in keyboard that connects via Lightning or USB-C and extends from the bottom of your device, offering more than just Bluetooth functionality.
Contrast with that vegan leather bottom accent and a nice tactile powered volume buttons, but the star of the show of course is the keyboard, and it feels like you're using a BlackBerry again in the future. But why the physical keyboard though? Well, look at all the space that you regain back without the virtual keyboard blocking up almost half the screen like you see here on Instagram Live. And what's neat is you gain all of those cool iOS keyboard shortcuts like scrolling through a web page with just the space button, which I love, and quickly going back to the home screen, copy and paste, and so much more. So what do you guys think? Do you want one?
5. Skyted Silent Mask. The Skyted Silent Mask borrows technology from newer jet engines to reduce sound by 25 decibels so you can take private calls in public without being overheard.
you can Bluetooth connect this mask to your phone. And if you're making a phone call in public, something like that, then you can actually have complete privacy while you're having the conversation. So if you're like me, you're talking to your bestie and you're talking about the nuclear codes while you're sitting out at the park, then you're not going to have to worry about people eavesdropping on your conversation, and it ends up just looking like a mask. If you're someone that is making business phone calls in public places like airports, things like that, then this is a fantastic new technology that really reduces the sound whenever you're speaking to someone. You can also plug in headphones if you want to be able to listen to what else is going on and go from there.
6. ColdSnap. ColdSnap is a game changer. This appliance uses single-serve pods filled with liquid ingredients, eliminating the need for pre-freezing. Its rapid freezing technology whips up ice cream, smoothies, or even boozy drinks in under 2 minutes. Choose from various flavors, including dairy-free options, and enjoy the convenience of shelf-stable pods until you're ready to indulge. However, ColdSnap is a newer product with potentially limited reviews, and the pod system adds extra cost compared to traditional methods. Seven. GE Profile Indoor Smoker, CES Innovation Award winner. This indoor smoker delivers outdoor smoked flavor in less time and without the need for outdoor space.
It leaves all the flavorful stuff behind. You can now slow smoke salmon, chicken, ribs, and even peach cobbler from the comfort of your kitchen. Costs about $1,000 and it's available now.
Remote physical interaction uses technology to bridge the physical gap. Haptic tech, like special gloves, creates a sense of touch when interacting with virtual objects. Telepresence robots let you control a physical body in another location, even feeling what it encounters. While still developing, this tech has exciting possibilities. Surgeons could operate remotely, or friends could explore virtual worlds together with a feeling of physical presence. The challenges lie in accurately recreating touch sensations and ensuring the bandwidth to transmit this data effectively. But the future of remote physical connection looks promising. Thank you for watching. Feel free to ask any questions.